Welcome to Vocab Bits, where stories teach you English naturally. He failed. Again. And again. Not once. Not twice. But hundreds of times. Most people would have surrendered. But he refused. This is the story of Thomas Edison. He was not considered a prodigy. In fact, many believed he lacked potential. He struggled in school and was often misunderstood. But inside him, there was something extraordinary, a relentless curiosity, an unyielding determination. He was fascinated by how things functioned. He observed. He questioned. He analyzed. As he grew older, his curiosity turned into obsession. He began experimenting, again and again. But most of his experiments ended in failure. Repeated failure. Consistent failure. Almost endless failure. Each attempt seemed futile. Each result felt disappointing. People around him became skeptical. They doubted his ability. They dismissed his efforts. They believed he would never succeed. But Edison had a different perspective. He did not see failure. He saw progress. He once said, "I have not failed. I've just discovered ways that do not work." That is persistence. The ability to continue, despite difficulty. The strength to endure, despite setbacks. The courage to persist when success seems distant. Day after day, night after night, he kept working. His focus never wavered. His effort never diminished. His determination remained unshaken. Finally, after countless attempts, one experiment succeeded. A faint glow appeared. A small light. In a dark room. It was the electric light bulb. A simple idea, but a revolutionary invention. That light transformed the world. It illuminated homes. It reshaped cities. It redefined human life. And it all began with persistence, with refusal to surrender, with belief in one idea. This is why Edison's story matters. Because success is rarely instantaneous. It is gradual. It is built through effort, through failure, through resilience. So when you struggle, when you feel exhausted, when you want to quit, remember this story. Because failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. And sometimes, what feels like failure is actually progress in disguise. Follow Vocab Bits for more stories that help you learn English naturally. Let's look at the words you learned today. Articulate to express ideas clearly and effectively. Deep in thought, carefully reflecting on something. Not following traditional methods different from the usual way. The act of following rules or accepted standards. Intrigued, extremely curious, and interested in something unusual. Profound, very deep and meaningful. Dismissed, to reject or refuse to consider something. Revolutionary, causing a complete change in the way things work. Interconnected, linked together in a complex way. Brilliance, exceptional intelligence or talent. Learn these words, understand them, and use them to express your thoughts better. Follow Vocab Bits to learn English in a way you'll never forget.